What do you think are critical success factors in building a successful developer community? What are the critical success factors?
I think it's very important from both aspects, from an operator aspect as also from a community aspect. From a developer aspect, it should be self-service. I should be able to sign up without going through many agreements and stuff like that. I should be able to test my application that happens on the network, and then I should be able to provision that application. Then I should be able to allow it to discover that application. So I think from a developer, the critical success factors from an operators and developers, I think is very, very important. So from a developer's standpoint, it should be something that I should be able to sign up very easily. I should be able to test my applications very easily. I should be able to provision my applications very easily, and I should be able to get others to discover my applications simply. So these are, I would say, from a developer standpoint, and for them, they should have those developer toolkits, the simulators, all that complements those things. From an operator standpoint, I think it's important for operator to be able to support 1,000 to 5,000 developers, that they have a very efficient onboarding process. They should also have a very efficient workflow process that includes your agreements and SLAs that they would provide to the developers. They should have a way that they can actually govern those developers, 5 to 10,000 developers, governance module for them, and then again be able to reconcile revenue. And the key is, from an operator standpoint as well as from the developer standpoint, making the revenue reconciliation and having that be paid to the developers within 5 to 7 days is critical for a developer ecosystem to exist. If the revenue reconciliation takes months and months, then the developer lose their interest. And to do all that stuff, I think it's very important to look at an API management platform or a telco API management platform which can gear those critical success factors.
Right. And I mean, if I come again with a comparison, so look at very successful internet retailer today. So that are, for example, retailing shoes. What are the most successful of those? The most successful are those who are having a lot of variety. Variety counts because people want to make choices. Huh? So and now think of a telco who has started to have this mindset and say, okay, I'm creating a variety. I'm creating a platform on which a variety is possible. And then developers are going onto this platform, creating this variety with their creativity. So then, for the subscriber base, I have a lot of variety on which I can choose. And if everybody in this process is getting then his fair share out of that in a reasonable time, then that's just perfect.
What I see is also that lowering the barriers for developers to enter to this platform, that is the crucial. So having self-service, so they can come and register with the system and apply for application approvals, and then one-click signing in, no huge number of application forms to be signed and approved by telco. You click one button and you are in the community. And the reconciliation process, where developers get the money on time and good revenue split. So I think those are the crucial things from the experience.
So you don't need to know the operator anymore to be able to being able to go and
have contacts.
You don't need operator contacts to be able to go and do your applications, which is lowering the barrier to a very, very great extent.
So one of the most important things in this is to create that win-win-win situation. So everybody, it's an ecosystem. It's not about operate as an individual entity, but it's as we all get together and get it successful. So it's very important to create this win-win-win situation on an ecosystem building initiative.